Do you ever wish you can take your PlayStation or Xbox gaming experience on the go? If so, then today I'm going to show you how you can transform your iPad or your MacBook into a portable gaming console using the Backbone PlayStation Edition controller. Let's talk about it. What's going on, you wonderful people? I'm Brandon, and welcome to CraytonTv. I've been using the Backbone PlayStation Edition controller since launch day, and today I'm going to actually show you how you can use this little thing to game on the go using an iPad or a Mac, where you can set it up, be able to game on the go, get a bigger screen and everything else. Let's get over here and show you what the few things that you would need. So here are the things you can use while using the Backbone controller. That way you can use it on an iPad or a MacBook. You'll need your MacBook, your iPad, your cell phone just to get it started through the app, the Backbone controller itself. If you're using iOS devices, you want to use a Lightning to USB-C cable. If you're using Android, use USB-C to USB-C. So when using the Backbone controller and you want to use it on an iPad or MacBook, make sure you want to do, especially if you want to play PlayStation games, on your iPad, you want to make sure that you have the PlayStation Remote app downloaded. And on your MacBook, make sure you have the PlayStation Remote app. Come to Xbox, you can play Xbox gaming, Xbox Cloud Gaming Live, or Xbox Live on the iPad, however you download that. But for PlayStation, you want to make sure you have the PlayStation Remote Play download, and make sure whatever PlayStation you're going to use, whether it's the PS4, the PS5, make sure both of them are in rest mode. If they're powered off, this will not work. You won't be able to access your PlayStation, but you still be able to use the Backbone controller to play on the iPad or MacBook, play other games and such as the Google Play, Apple Arcade, Steam, etc. Amazon Luna. Going down the list of games that come with the Backbone controller that is used as a third party. So keep that in mind. So first things first, when it comes to using the Backbone controller with an iPad or a MacBook, you want to make sure you set it up on the phone first. Here is my iPhone 11 Pro Max, all being shot on right now on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So take your Backbone controller in your hand, connect it to your phone, whether it's iOS or Android. Everything else, you want to open up the Backbone app itself. So if you haven't added me already, I have been adding a lot of you guys that's been wanting to play games. I do be on here playing games, and I will play with you guys. Just feel free to ask. When I am available, I will play games with you guys. We can run party chat and stuff like that. But yeah, here's the Backbone. You launch the app. You want to go over here to the menu. You want to go to settings, scroll down to controller, go to play on any screen, hit iPad or whatever you're playing on. They got Google Chrome, PC, Android, Mac, etc. So for this one, this is the iOS one. So I got to select the iPad. I want to hit back, and basically from there, you're all done. The next step, you can just disable your phone from it. You want to come over to getting your lightning cable. You want to plug this in here, just like that. That plugs in there. That's lightning cable. If you're using Android, you want to use a USB-C to lightning cable. If you're using Android, because this is lightning, maybe a USB-C. You want to get your iPad. Got your iPad right here. USB-C cable. This is the iPad 2018 iPad Pro. Plug it in. Keep an eye on the Backbone. If you see the light lights up blue, then it is activated now. You can be able to play games on your iPad. So you just download them in there. But if I wanted to access my PlayStation, PlayStation Remote Play, I would tap on it, and you can see it tells me to connect to my PlayStation. Right now, you can see, but you can't do this anywhere on the go. You don't have to be at home to connect to your PlayStation and everything. As long as it's on rest mode, you should be fine. So I have been playing this. I used it when I was inside of Starbucks. PlayStation was at home, and then everything else. So right now it's connecting to the PS5. If you have a PS4, it'll do the same thing. Just give it some time to activate. Keep in mind the Backbone is still lit up. So as you see, I'm logged in on the PlayStation Remote Play. I can move, go up and down. So yes, you see the controller. It is being connected. I can access whatever I need to. I can play games. So I do have feedback from the controller. You see the phone is not connected at all. Other games such as I can play Call of Duty, Apex Legends. I do have the Xbox Cloud Gaming, so I can browse that, and they all still work using the iPad. But since I haven't used these in a long time, it's going to take a long time to load. I can play Mario Kart Racing. I haven't played in a while, so I don't want to sit there and wait for you guys to let it load. But yes, that is how you use the Backbone controller with an iPad. It works the same on a Mac. You just got to take the USB-C cable, plug it in, and long as you see the light up, you are ready to go. If you want to browse the app store of your device, you can browse that, download some games that support controller, and in the app store on iOS, they will tell you what has controller support and what doesn't. Oh, that being said, it's really simple to use your Backbone PlayStation Edition controller on the go. So if you did find this video helpful, go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'm curious to know what's your favorite games to play on the go. Leave it down in the comment section down below. If you have done this setup before, what is your experience like? Go ahead and also leave that down in the comment section down below. Other than that, Backbone PlayStation Edition controller. Let me know what other features you would like to see with this. If you want to learn how you can stream with the Backbone controller, or what else the Backbone controller offers, just let me know down in the comment section down below. I will bring that video to you guys. Other than that, I'm Brandon. Thanks for watching Crayton TV. Like, comment, subscribe. God bless, and I'll see you in my next upload. Peace.